In a previous video, I showed you how to use the word way. In this video, I'll show you how to use a possessive adjective and then way. On my way, in my way, and out of my way. Use on my way when traveling. Use in my way when something is blocking your progress or movement. And out of my way is similar to the word remove or move. Here we have a preposition, a possessive adjective that matches a subject of some kind, and a noun. And in this case, the noun is way. I'm on my way. I'm traveling to a destination. You're in my way. You are blocking my movement. I can't move because you're in my way. And get often appears before out of my way. This creates a command. It's the imperative form, and the subject is you. But don't say you. Just start with a verb, and then the rest of this means move. Get out of my way. Move. This is a good time to quickly review the reason why possessive adjectives are used. Remember that these are adjectives and they come before a noun. In this case, the noun is way. My way. Your way. Use his way for a man, her way for a woman, its way for a thing, our way. When my and your are combined, use our. Your way, this is the plural form of your, and their way, the spelling is T-H-E-I-R, and this is the plural form for his, her, or its. On my way is used when talking about traveling or some type of progress. On my way. Here in this position is the possessive adjective. I'm on my way. You're on your way. He's on his way. She's on her way. It's on its way. This one is especially important because we often say this when traveling to a destination. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. I'm going somewhere. I'm on my way. And then you could put something here. I'm on my way home. Or I'm on my way to work. Or I'm on my way to New York. I'm traveling. All of these sentences use plural subjects and plural possessive adjectives. We're on our way. You're on your way. Notice the pronunciation of your is the same as your. And they're on their way. These two words are also pronounced the same way. There and there. They're on their way. You're on your way. If you can't remember the possessive adjective that matches the subject, then you could just replace any of these with the. So instead of it's on its way, it's on the way. Instead of he's on his way, he's on the way. Instead of we're on our way, we're on the way. So you don't have to use the possessive adjective. You could just use the. You can use on my way for short distances. Here's an example of going somewhere. I was just on my way out the door. I was just leaving when someone stopped me. And remember that the subject pronoun will match the possessive adjective. I was on my way. He was on his way when someone stopped him. Or if it's plural, we were just on our way out the door when someone stopped us. Or if we change the subject to they were just on their way out the door when someone stopped them. And the last thing I want to mention about on one's way is that you can use it for things. It's on its way. This is a single thing. Here is the contraction for it is, and then here is the possessive adjective. You can use it's on its way when you know that a package is in transit. When someone is sending a package or waiting for a package, it's on its way. Use in my way when a thing or person is blocking some kind of a movement or progress. Here's you, you're going this way, and here is something that's blocking you. It's preventing your progress. It's in your way. You're in my way. This means that you have to move because I want to go forward, but I can't because you are in my way. Or I'm in your way. I'm preventing or blocking you from moving. He's in her way. There are two people, a man, and then this pronoun refers to a woman. He's preventing her movement. She's in their way. She's blocking a group of people. One person is preventing a group of people from moving. And it's in my way. This is a thing that's preventing me from moving. Use out of, and then here's the possessive adjective and way when asking somebody to move away or when removing something. I'll get out of your way. She got out of his way. Please get out of my way. If you are blocking me or preventing my movement, then I'll say, please get out of my way. Let's get this out of our way. This could be any kind of a responsibility or something that needs attention. You could also replace the possessive adjective with the. Let's get this out of the way. Let's get this out of our way. And of course, other possessive adjectives could be used here. Let's get this out of his way, her way, your way, depending on the circumstances. If this video has helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel.